Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is basically next part of language power. One person basically asked a few questions. Sunil, where is Sayajirao Gaikwad currently? What he is going to do after 1 month? So that was very dangerous question here basically. Because Sayajirao Gaikwad means he is a big personality basically. And he actually died also. But then also one of the person basically asked the question. So let's take one example. One person told that Sayajirao Gaikwad means connected with Vadodara city. And Vadodara city is basically controlled by one of the gas company, that is Vadodara Gas Limited. Private limited or limited basically, I exactly don't know. So they are basically controlling public. So after 1 month basically what Gaikwad is going to think, what Gaikwad is going to do, that entire data basically is processed basically in Vadodara city. And Vadodara city, assume that basically they are connected with 100 cities basically in 20 countries. So they are basically whenever going to issue the Vadodara city visa to anyone, they are going to check which all properties basically. For example, one person basically is moving to, assume that basically I am moving to Singapore, just taking example basically. But because my age is already crossed, so I will not get the visa of Singapore basically. If I get, then basically it's good. But assume that basically I am going to Singapore basically after 1 month. So what Singapore basically people are going to check in visa process basically. They are 100% going to connect with Sayajirao Gaikwad. He is going to do after 1 month what basically? That is going to connect with this visa also basically. So whatever basically activities basically the Vadodara public is done in past, going to do, that all are connected with what Gaikwad is going to think after 1 month. And that is basically controlled by gas companies, malls, each and every fruits, each and every companies basically, which are basically the software companies. So these all groups basically are controlling Gaikwad what is going to do after 1 month. So this is basically the few next videos basically which we are going to discuss.